So on this particular video, we're going to be talking about variables, comments, and data types. All right, so first let's start off with a comment. A comment basically is just telling you what the developer is intending to do in a program. So I'm going to create a variable now. And a variable is basically just where you store data. Think of it like a box. You want to put something in a box. Box is basically the container. A variable is basically just so now if I print the name, it should just come out Random Williams. Okay. So Random Williams is a string. A string is just characters within quotation marks. All right. Now integers is just whole numbers. I'm gonna do a list. So a list is basically like an array. And as you can see, it printed out the whole list. And if you do it like brackets 0, all right. So where it says Jeff, the first item in the list is gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in Python, it always starts at 0. I think most programming languages are that way, by the way. And so it's gonna print out Jeff. Okay. If I want to print out Rachel, I hit 4. And that's how that works. So I did let's do Boolean. So 10 is greater than 7. That should be true. And for, uh, for is greater than 22. That isn't true. So it says true, false. A Boolean is just true or false, basically. Those going to be the two answers that you can get if you do a Boolean. All right. A float is a sequence of numbers. Yes. So float, string, Boolean, list. These are all data types. So I've done comments, I've done Boolean. All right. That's actually it, I think. Yeah, because I did list, I did string. And a list can have numbers. It can have all of the data types, by the way. I wonder, can you mix the data types? First, let me do this. Type, and I'm asking basically what is the data type? I remember earlier I thought it was type of. It's not type of. Type of will give you an error. It says name error. So I was thinking about another um, programming language, but it's type in Python. Okay. Uh, there's a number. It's in it. What else? Yeah. So I'm trying to get it to print out the type, but it don't look like I'm seeing it. So I'll go down here. See, nine. Zero screen. Uh, okay, float screen. All right, so I got it going now. All right, so that are your floats, balloons, strings, and variables. List. I did comments, data. So I did basic data types, comments, and variables. All right, so that's enough, I think, for this particular video. Did I forget? Oh, you know what? I can do these real quick too. Your operators, arithmetic operators. So 1 plus 1, 5, 5 is 6, 3 times 5 is 15. 5 divided by 10. 8 minus 2. All right, with that, I'm going to end it. So I will see you on the next video.